Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Windows 11 Insider Preview Update on your PC currently running Windows 10. First, we will check our Windows specifications. Right-click on Start button and then click on System. Under Windows specifications, we can see Windows Edition and Windows version. Latest version of Windows 10 is 21H1. My Windows version is 20H2. If our current Windows version is not up to date, we need to update it first. Only then, we will get Windows 11. To update Windows 10 to latest version, click on Start button. Go to Settings. Click on Update and Security. Here, click on Check for updates. Now, it is going to check updates for Windows and Windows version. As we can see here, my Windows got update for Windows version. My Windows current version is 20H2 and latest version is 21H1. So first, it is going to update it. Downloading has been completed. Now, it will install the new version of Windows 10. It will take around 2 hours and it will restart several times in between. Windows has been updated. Here, it will take a little bit of time. Now, check the Windows version again. As we can see here, Windows has been updated to 21H1. Now, to update Windows 10 to Windows 11, go to Update and Security. Here, click on Windows Insider Program. We need to join Windows Insider Program to get Windows 11 update. Click on Get Started. Here, we need to link our Microsoft account. After that, we are going to pick Insider Settings. Select the recommended options. Click on Confirm. Again, confirm it and restart your PC. After restarting, now, go to Windows Update. Click on Check for updates. If we have not got Windows 11 update, like me, then we need to change Windows Inside Program channel. Go to Windows Inside Program. Click here, then pick Dev channel. After that, click on back arrow icon. We can see here, it has been changed to Dev channel. Now, go back to Windows Update. And again, click on Check for updates. Now we have got Windows 11 update. Thank you guys for watching our video. Give us a like if you like it and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for new videos.